Hello, everybody. Welcome back to I Am Cat. We're back at it again because, yeah, we got to do today. Okay, so we're gonna have to show. In the last episode, we had to show them, how to they can provide. So we have to go fishing out of the aquarium. I need to buy something. Break the piggy bank. Hunger. Open 3 boxes of food. Got it. Okay. First things first. Let's get the fish. Okay, does it say like how get the fish? Okay, well, we know if you put the fish food in the tank, the fish will start coming up. Ooh, that's one. Dang it! Come on. Am I on my hind legs? What the world? Don't go down. Oh, okay, that somehow counted. I don't know how, but it did. We're gonna take it. What's next? Need to buy something. Okay, let's actually eat the food first. Meow. Is this cat food? Yummy. Yeah, meow, meow, meow. Okay, so first, let's eat our food. To be a big back. That's what I love to be. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, oh man, I'm so hungry. Ooh. Some more yummies. Some more yummies. Oh, let's get that. Let's get all these in here. Ah, yeah. Let's give you a different flavor. Meow. Meow. I kind of want a little bit more. Just a little bit more, you know? Okay. I just want a little bit more. Just a little bit more food, yeah? Alright. Wait, we can put it in the barbell as well. Oh, yeah. Nom 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 nom. You know what? We just need one more packet of food. Okay, I had to blow a bit too wide on that one. Gotta open one of these at the top, so... Open. Open. How do I open these? How do I open? Open. 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 How do I open this? We need to open one more box of food, but I don't know where another box of food is. There's one here. This could be one. Alright, come here. Give me this. This one? Is this a box of food or nay? Can we open it? Open for me. Okay, it's not opening. I wonder if we can cook food, because there's like a bunch of foods in this game. I wonder if we can just like open one. Damn, my game's like so glitchy right now. Is that a box of food? Oh yeah. Is this super cat food? Can I get up here, please? Cat food super. What's in here? What's... Give me food, give me food. What's this? These are ones we were just eating. No. Nom nom nom. 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 No! Okay, I guess I want to stop eating then. What's the last thing? Break the piggy bank. Meow meow meow. Ah, I just said something. My dresser. Yeah. What's else? I see you're not going without food. How do you handle a knife? For cooking, of course. Go to the kitchen. Oh, okay. I guess we can do one. That's a lot of coins. Okay, I guess we can do one more because I did like all of that super quickly. You can do like one more. Let's see. Too quiet. Turn up the radio. Who will pay for the water? Turn on the water faucet. Thirsty, pour water into a mug in the kitchen. Where's the radio at? Is this a radio? That's TV. Oh, here's the radio. Oh, duh. Oh, just like this? What? How do I... was I doing it? That's how. Okay, I turned it up. Turn up. Okay, it's all the way up. Is it playing? What? I don't understand. Work. Work, radio, work. Come back, come back. What? I think I broke it. I think I broke the radio. Okay. You know what? Let's go to sleep. Yeah. Here, I'll do all this when I come back. Yeah. Okay, there's gonna be a part 2. Okay, there's gonna be a part 2 to this. I'm just gonna go to sleep real quick. The video hasn't ended yet. Okay, I just gotta go to sleep. And we're back. Okay, we're back. What do we have to do again? Too quiet, turn up the radio. Who will pay for the water? Turn on the water faucet. Thirsty, pour water into a mug in the kitchen. Let's first turn off this radio. Yum. Oh gosh, don't fall, don't fall. Is that quiet? No, it's quiet. Okay. Did I do it? No, I didn't do it. This one? There we go. Okay. Now let's get some water. Don't want to be in the water. I'm a cat. Don't like it. Just me a little cup of water. Let's be like a human. There we go. Just like a human does it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that water is nasty. I like running water. Personally, I like to use some running water. It's just me licking the water. If like you don't get it, it's just me licking the water. Because yeah. So okay then. Okay. Turn that off. We got next. Toasty bread. Toast the bread in toaster. The cat's a cook. Pepper tomato. Gas is free, right? Turn on all the burners in the hob. Pick up some toast first. Okay. Okay, we're gonna turn on. Oh. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay. Oh, stop. Stop, I'm sorry. Stop. Okay, there we go. That turn these on. Oh gosh, this isn't cat accessible. I don't like this. This isn't cat accessible. This also isn't cat accessible. I don't like this. Come on, Granny, you gotta make this cat accessible. Maybe if a cat living here with you. Turn. Okay, yeah. I definitely wasn't scared. We got a tomato. Surely there's a tomato in the fridge, right? I need did it say tomato or eggplant? Cut a tomato. Not any vegetable, a tomato. You kind of need a tomato to cut up a tomato, don't you think? I think that. Sadly, I don't know where a tomato is. Or even is a cutting board. We have cutting stuff. Do we need a cutting board for that stuff? I guess we don't have. I guess we don't really like have to have a cutting board. Like window. Ah, here's a nice juicy tomato here. Nice juicy tomato. Okay, let's grab our handy dandy knives here. Dad, I dropped it. No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, imagine seeing your cat. I'm honestly brilliant. Look at me, did all that. And one swift cut. Honestly, the best chef there ever was. Not the best cat though, just the best chef. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Little chef here. There we go. We got things up. Meow. Okay. I'm a good chef. I'm a good chef. I'm not the best cat though. Meow. It does not close. There we go. Being responsible. That. Which one's that one? Which one's Which there. Meow. Which one's that one? There we go. Okay, then we're gonna Okay, we're gonna bring this over here. Gosh, I think it's gonna fall. I tried. I tried. Okay, I'll just up. Oh my god, I can't throw either. Yummy. I just need one though. I just need one. I'm gonna make a tomato sandwich, eh? Surely I had a tomato sandwich before, right? Put that in there. There we go. Ah, beautiful. There we go, a beautiful tomato sandwich. Can I not eat bread? Guess I can't. Okay, tomatoes though. Okay, what do we got next? I did toast the bread. Okay. I guess it wants us to like toast it. You get to go all the way. Yeah. Turn, twist. Okay. Ah, dang! I just hit something. See? Oh, wait. I think that's a little burnt, right? That looks burnt. Okay. What we gotta do next? A cucumber. Oh, not a cucumber. Oh, I'm definitely afraid of cucumbers. This cucumber is kind of like a pickle. I won't eat it. You have to cut it. Where's our knife at? We'll get a new one. Wow. Okay. We're gonna get a brand new knife. There we go. Okay. Hey, these things aren't half bad. Yum 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 yum. Okay. We need to cook some chicken and potatoes. Where do we keep the potatoes in this house? Here's the chicken. Steak. Dang, that's a chicken leg if I ever seen one. Like, I've never seen a true chicken leg before. This is a chicken leg right here. Right here, my boy. This is a premium chicken leg. Okay, we already put our skillet, or I guess our pan. I'm gonna say pan. No, it says skillet. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. I wonder how grandma isn't like I wonder what grandma thinks of all this. Like, we're a little cat and we're cooking food. Like, we're using the knife like a human does, using the pan like a human does. We're not eating it raw. No. We have to cut it so we can eat it. We're heating up our food with a pan. I'm using the oven. I'm carrying knives. That must be, like, concerning, right? Like, is it just me? That's you? Okay. Getting smaller already. Oh, in the microwave. Okay, don't cook it. Can we not eat this? I guess we can't eat it. Can we not eat this either? Cut it in bite-sized pieces? Or I guess in cat-sized pieces. Almost cut my hand there. I'm just not eating this. Yeah, okay. I guess I don't want the chicken. Don't go over that. Meow. Okay, we're gonna eat our chicken. There we go. We're gonna eat there we go. Not open weirdly. What? It's one of them new. Yeah, we don't need a plate. Oh. Chicken. Oh, yeah. There we go. Is this edible? It still looks raw. I can see the pink. I guess it's not reheated enough because it doesn't say that it's... Okay. Maybe that's better. There we go. Get it out. Give me the chicken. See, I won't eat it. I won't eat the chicken. How do I eat the chicken? No. Oh, okay, I just didn't eat it correctly then. You ate fried chicken. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for today. I just want to record this as well because, well, you know, I like the other episodes like so short, and I didn't want to just like give like a second set, like a 6 to 8 minute episode. So I just gave out this. So thank you for watching. I'll make a new episode eventually because I really like this game. And bye bye. Meow 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 meow.